Hello guys, I hope all of you are fine wherever you are in this world, guys. Okay guys, today I am back to share with you another powerful trick on the ice. Okay guys, okay, so this trick is going to really help you to win your bet in a very easy way, guys. Okay, so if only you want to understand this trick, okay, and you want to use it to win your bet in a very easy way, guys, the best thing you have to do is to watch the full video so that you understand how I'm using this trick. Okay guys, and those of you who don't want to miss any of my new video, guys, the best thing to do is to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Okay, and also those of you who really wanted to secure their account, guys, okay, the best way you can secure your account is to create a fresh and new account by using the best promo code in the world. Okay, the promo code is DVIP, all in capital letters. This promo code is going to secure your account, guys. It is the best promo code in the world in terms of security. Whatever the total amount of money you are going to win on the 1xbet platform, this promo code will allow you to get your money without facing any issue, guys. It is the best promo code in the world in terms of security. And also this promo code will allow you to get 200% bonus on your first deposit, guys. Okay, so guys, we are not going to waste a lot of time. Okay, and also those of you who really like what I'm doing, okay, give me a like. Okay, give me a like. Okay, if only you know you like what I'm sharing with you here, give me a like. Okay, and share the video with your friends so that they can also know these options and these tricks. Okay guys, so guys, let's go and let's select the ice. Okay, and the trick I'm going to share with you works more on this championship, okay, this league, NHL. Okay, so this option work more on the NHL league. Okay, so what you are going to do now, let's select the NHL. Let's click on it. Then let's select this match. I will tell you why I'm selecting this match. Okay, let's click on this match. Guys, when we click on the match, the first remark we can do here is that these two teams, all these two teams have the same odds. All of them have an odd of 2. This means that this match is going to be very hard match. Okay, this match is going to be very hard match. Okay, it is not going to be easy for each team to score here because we can see that these two teams have almost the same level. Okay, but we can see that in addition to what I said, we can see that the away team is a little bit weaker than the home team. Okay, it means that the home team is a little bit strong than the second team. Okay, so we are going to target this second team because in these two teams this is the less strongest team. Okay guys, I hope you understand what I mean. So we are going to target the weakest team. Okay, so first, what you are going to do, guys, you have to target a match where you are sure that the two teams have almost the same odds. Okay, if you find a match who have the same odds, the next thing you have to do, you have to target the team that are more weak. Okay, between the two teams, the team that have more chance to lose the match, this is the team that you are going to target. Okay, then now let's go and find the option. Let's calm down, guys. Then let's find our option. Okay, then this is our option. Okay, we are going to target the team 2. Okay, and here, as you can see, okay, the option is saying team 2 to score in each half. Team 2 to score in each half. Okay, and let's select it. Let's click this match. We know that this match is going to be very hard. Okay, and also we see that the home team have more chance, the home team have a little bit more chance to win this match more than the second team. Okay, so we are going to target the second team, and here their 1xbet is asking us if you are sure that the team 2 will score in each period. Okay, and we can see that what we can see, for those who don't know, 1xbet the eyes okay have 3 period. Okay, they have the first period here. Okay, and then they have the second period and third period. Okay, eyes okay usually play in three period. Okay, so here if you select, what we are going to do, guys, okay, we are going to select no. Okay, by saying no, we are saying that this second team will not score at the first period, second period and third period at the same time. Okay, it means the only way we can lose our bet, it is only when the second team score at the first period, score at the second period and also score at the third period. Okay, and this is going to be very difficult because we can see that here this match is going to be a very, very hard match. Okay, so please target the NHL league. Okay, make sure that you are playing this option on the NHL league. It is very important, guys. Okay, guys, I hope you understand this option. Okay, if only you have a question, okay, you can send me your question on the comment section. I will be happy to answer you guys. Okay, so those of you that will select this option no, the only way you can lose it is only when the second team score at the first period, second period and third period. So if only in one of these 3 periods the second doesn't score in one of these 3 periods, you win your bet in a very easy way, guys. Okay, you can select this type of option 2 or 3 and win your bet in a very, very easy way, guys. Okay, so guys, tell me what you think in the comment section. Okay, and also like the video. If only you like this option, give me a like, guys. Okay, I was not around for a while, guys. Okay, I was very, very busy. Okay, I'm so sorry, but now I am back, guys. Okay, so take care of yourself, guys. I love you, guys. I love you. Ciao.